taking an absolute pounding. I want to go home! Ooh, here we go again. Right.
So.
Yeah, it's going to get worse as well, I think. But this is it, these are your options. I think there might be like somewhere else, maybe on the side of those rocks there, it's in more of a valley. I don't know what the pitching was like, but you can have a look.
Oh, it's getting cold.
I don't know how to put the inner in.
Try and find some rocks, mate, because I can't. My pegs are just coming out. Oh. I have a feeling it's going to be a very uncomfortable night, man.
Are we about to get shat on?
Just literally overhearing like shit. Well, with all this towards us, isn't it? This big rig here.
Hailstone!
Really? Yeah.
Right. Well, this is fun. Jesus Christ. Look at this one there.
Just heard an almighty crack of thunder.
Look like right on top of us. Tent's taking an absolute pounding. This side of the tent is it's caved in, but it's caved in because the ground's a bit crooked. It's doing alright. I haven't even put the other side on. It's just absolutely mental.
That was pretty ferocious.
That was mental. Looks like Christmas out here.
Santa out there somewhere.
How you doing?
Hello.
Oh, God, it's freezing out here. Whew. That was mental, to say the least. But the tents are still standing, so that's something. That thunder was just, wow. Well, whew. Hands are frozen. I need to warm up. I think I need to put my down pants on.
DP time.
DP time. Sunshine. Yeah, I think we were lucky. I think we missed that storm there. I think it's blowing past us. Although it does look like there's another one in the distance. Still in the tent. Get the down pants and the down boots. Ooh, here we go again. We were just outside looking around. We saw this coming. Jesus Christ. Cheers. Yes, an axe. Hey, shit! Stupid idea is this? Oh, that was definitely more than 30. Well, the forecast was for like 45, coming on to 50.
Well, those last few gusts were really...
I don't think we were catching 50 here, but I think that we must have been 35, 40.
Yeah, easily 35.
Yeah, that's the nice thing about storm. You get like all the nice colour afterwards. You go through all that to get to it. Wow, that's really nice, eh? Right, so as you can tell, we're out in the Peak District on a very windy night. We're the only idiots up here, and yeah, the weather's mental. So we've been through 2 storms already. The first one was just ridiculous, and the wind's just constant. So we've measured the gusts at about what, 35?
36.8.
36.8 we've measured the gusts at. But I mean, it feels stronger than that, but I don't know.
It's definitely been stronger than that. That was just like about a 30-second interval at times.
Yeah, so that's about a 30-second interval, but we've definitely hit 40. The forecasts were 40 to 50. I'm not saying we had 50 because we're kind of in a spot that's just a little bit shielded. But yeah, there was times, as you've seen by the footage. So I've got my Bonfus Middus out with me. I've got the 2-person inner. It's the first night I've had the 2-person inner, which is it's not ideal conditions I've never pitched it with a 2-person inner, not even in the garden, because I'm an idiot. Yeah, so I've done a really bad job of it. And Paul's got his I keep forgetting what tent you've got. I've got the Tarptent. I've got the Tarptent. What is it, the Tarptent?
Dipole 2 Lithium.
Dipole 2 Lithium. And both have been champs in what we've dealt with so far. And what's especially amazing about the Bonfus Middus, I haven't even guyed out the side panels. It's got like 8 more guy out points around the perimeter, and I bought them fully intending to use them, and I haven't had to use them. This is where I cut to a frame where my tent's just blown away. Yeah, it's mental up here, but it's good fun, isn't it?
It's awesome.
We're loving it. Only because we've got beer and we're drunk. So if we were sober, we'd be hating it.
The sky's actually been really nice. The sky's been, there's been some awesome colour, hasn't there?
Yeah, there has been awesome colour. You know what gets right? Okay, if someone could explain to me Kinder Scout, because I don't get it. Whenever I come up on Kinder Scout, there's like clouds hanging over it, and then whenever I look at Derwent Edge, Howden Edge, Howden Moors over there, it's always like clear. I don't get it. It's only like, what's that, 5 miles?
Yeah.
5 miles away, and it's completely different to up here. So I don't get why Kinder Scout just seems to have this cloud of death that hangs over it. I mean, you can see here, look. So we can see the moon, and then you've just got all this dark cloud, and it's just all behind us. And it seems to come over and then disperse, and never seems to make it over to there. Even though the wind's blowing in that direction, it just, I'm waffling on. So I'm drunk weather talking. Oh, shut up. Yeah, but there's no one else here. It's just us. Just the 2 of us.
We can make it if we try.
Just the 2 of us. Anywho, it's good fun. We enjoy it. Entirely short on where I managed to light my alcohol stove.
What's up with it?
I'm not sure I'm going to be able to light it.
Oh shit.
It's windy. Oh no, go, there she goes, there she goes, woohoo! So this rain has just been relentless. Well, I say relentless. That's not true. It's been just waves of storms, and we can mostly see them coming. So at least we can kind of get into the tent and get a bit of cover. But it's just yeah, one storm after the other. The wind has been consistently really heavy, and then when these storms come in, it's just yeah. But the tents, both these tents have been absolutely superb. Bonfus Middus has just done a great job, and I haven't even guided it out. Like the side panels are not guided out at all. I'm so impressed with this tent, and I'm really looking forward to getting the solid inner, so it can see me through the winter.
Oh my god,
Oh, mental. Oh, it's quite warm in there. Quite cozy.
oh man, that's bright.
Look. Oh my god. Oh, hang on. Oh my god. I mean, look. It's got mont valves. I've got nature heights. I feel so inferior.
Taking the brunt of it from this side.
Yeah, big up Tarptent. Yes, fine.
Yeah, that one was the problem. That was just popping straight out that stage.
How did you pick those up? Muscles aren't big enough. Look at that. That's been great.
Still the lightweight tent to take 35 mph winds.
Yeah. And maybe 240 mile an hour gusts.
Oh, definitely. Like I said before, there's not that many stakeout points with this tent. You've got one guy line coming down from the apex.
Yeah.
You know, and apart from that, you've just got before points.
Well, this does a great job, I think. This
It's a cool, yeah. It's definitely a really well thought out structure.
yeah, that structure here, you can see what a good job that's doing.
I mean, yours hasn't even got any guy lines on it.
No, my God.
It's standing up to it.
Yeah. Taking it. It's quite impressive. I hope this wind dies down.
No?
Never going to end. Ever.
Doesn't feel like it. Like, I'm zipping my inner up, I don't know what the point is. Because it's just going to be as cold, because it's just mesh. Like, zipping it up like it's going to give me warmth. Oh yeah! Whoa, it's really warm here now. Jesus Christ.
I'm zipping right up top and stop all the flies getting in.
Yeah. Stop all the mozzies getting in.
All the fucking flies that have been dead for the last 4 hours.
Yeah. All the flies are fucked off. Oh yeah, that's staying around here. Shit. Even the grouse have fucked off. So.
Oh, I'm so much warmer inside my tent.
Are you now? Yeah. I would be if it was a solid inner.
Where's your fucking hot toddy now?
Yeah. Oh yeah, I should have brought a hot toddy, shouldn't I?
Fucking should, yeah.
Oh, got the hot toddies. Maybe next time.
Not going to be a next time.
Okay. Right, so it's been a delightful evening. Myself and Paul have had 4 beers to try and keep us warm. I'm not sure it's helped. It's so cold. And the wind's just relentless. And it's yeah, not the nicest of weather, to say the least. But unfortunately this is a mesh inner, so it's not going to keep me too warm. So Bonfus are bringing out a solid inner for this tent. I think they're starting with the 1-person version and then they're going to move to the 2-person version, so I'm looking forward to that. Bonfus, can you hurry that up please? Us poor souls in the UK, we need this for this time of year. So yeah, it's bedtime for me, it's bedtime for Paul. Say goodnight, Paul!
Good night!
And see you in the morning, hopefully. Right, so it was a very cold night, but actually I was really toasty, which was good.
Because you had 3 jackets on you, tosser.
I didn't have 3 jackets on. I've got 3 jackets on now. I had 2, and I had my down booties on and my down pants. But I was nice and warm. He was cold. His little tootsies were cold. Yeah, it was a windy night, but it's calmed down now, so it's not too bad. So I bought the Nemo Tensor Extreme with me because I knew it was going to drop to almost freezing, and I'm glad I did that. Paul's got you've got the Nemo Tensor
All season.
The all season one, so it's the one that's not quite as warm as this, and Paul seems to think it might have reached its limit. You said it was about 2. Put a sock in it, grouse. Paul said it was about 2 degrees in the tent. So yeah, maybe the all season has hit its limit, whereas the extreme was fine. Bloody grouse. Right, I'm going to stop waffling and I'm going to get a coffee on the go, and then we'll see what's happening with this sunrise. Alright, we just had a lovely sunrise. It's gone all cloudy now, and we're just, I think, about to get packed up. It's really cold, really cold. My feet are frozen, so we're just going to pack up and then we're going to head back down to Edale, where I think we're going to get sausage bap or a bacon bap or something.
Possibly a combination of.
Ooh, possibly a combination of. That's dirty talk right there. Alright, let's get these tents packed up. Right! All packed up and we are heading off now. Our packs are quite light. We were both carrying four beers last night, so it was like almost 2 kilo in beer, 2 kilo in alcohol. And it's a little bit cloudy now and a bit overcast.
Beautiful sunrise.
Sunrise was very nice, yes, we enjoyed that. No northern lights, unfortunately. I still haven't seen them. Apart from on Instagram. They've been all over Instagram the last couple of days. Right, so I think that was fun, wasn't it?
It was very pleasing, Mark, yeah.
It's very pleasing, yes. So, thank you very much for joining us on this windy adventure. If you enjoyed this video, please do like and subscribe. It really does help the channel. Any questions or comments, leave them below. As always, stay safe, keep on trekking, and I'll see you on the next one. Right then, my little postie friend, shall we go?
Yep, let's get out of here.
Yeah, there.
Scarf up. Do one.